What's up guys, welcome back to my third tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can add a main menu to your Gorilla Tag FanGame. So don't mind the glitching, but kind of like this, where you like have lasers on your hands and you can click these buttons. It's basically just like this, and there's also a physical option too. So to start off, go to my Discord, go to MuxHub, main menu, and download the Unity package. Go to the Unity project and right click import package custom package and find it. Then go to Monk's tutorials, go here and make sure physical menu, rig, and UI menu are there. If they're not, then you can get help from me, whatever. So what we're gonna want to do is go to scenes, double click, right click, create, and find the scene. And we're gonna name this menu scene, main scene, whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine menu scene. So I'm going to double click, save, and we have a new scene. So on main camera, we're going to want to right click, delete, click this plus, 3D object, and I would just do a plane. This will be like the base of our map, or just like the beginning of our map, whatever. Just like that. Now, go back to Monk's tutorials, Monk's main menu, and prefabs. So, drag in whatever one you want, physical menu, UI menu. For this tutorial, for right now, I'm gonna do UI menu, and then I'll show you how you can set up physical menu. So, UI menu, you're gonna want to right click, prefab, unpack, go to scene switcher, and if we go back to our scenes, whatever your main scene name is, so it might be called sample scene. So if it's called sample scene, you can rename it whatever you want. Mine's called game scene. So I'm gonna go like this. Game scene is my main scene, or my scene. So there we go. And we can set up your game name here. So click this text. My game name is called Seuss. So I'll just put Seuss there. And you can disable the quit button. I don't really see a point in it, but I just added it just because. You can have credits button, all of it works. If you disable main panel and enable credits panel, you'll have this page. You can change who the owner is. It just says owner and player. So I'm just going to put Monk right there, and it should all work. Now, go to Monk's main menu, prefabs, and drag in your rig. Oh, my bad. Disable this. So just make it kind of match up in the middle with this. Right click, prefab, unpack. And now go to your UI menu and drag in main camera into event camera. Then you can texture this however you like. I'm gonna put grass down, and I'm gonna put my arrays as red, just because. And you can also customize if you click main panel or whatever. You can customize the color. I'll do red for this. You can click on a button and you can customize this. Let's do white for this. You can customize all these settings, like what color it makes when it's pressed, whatever. Yeah. So go to File, Build Settings, and Scenes and Build. So you might already see stuff here. You're just gonna wanna remove any selections you have, or like just right click on them and remove them. And make sure you're on your menu scene, your main scene, and add open scene. Then go back to your scenes and go to your game scene, sample scene, whatever, and add open scene. Now we can go back to our menu scene, and if we click play, it should work. So drop down, credits, owner Monk, we can click back, quit, it should quit the game. And we can click play, it'll load us into our scene, and there we go. And now I'll show you how to set up, you can set up the physical menu. So, to set up the physical menu, we can just delete these, honestly. Go to prefabs, drag in physical menu. You can customize this however you want. I am not going to customize mine. Right click, prefab, unpack, just like that. And drag in your rig again. Yeah. And for the physical menu, right click, prefab, unpack, and go to your left hand and right controller. And you honestly, you could just delete these. You don't need those. And then now we can drag our rig over here. And then click on the play button. In your scene, you can do whatever your game scene is, sample scene, game scene, whatever it is, and then everything else should automatically be set up. We have a credits page too, so disable main page, owner, player, whatever you want. So I'm gonna disable that. Now click this play button. We can test her out. So if I go to my player, drag the left hand controller, my bad, over, let's try credits, owner, player, whatever, do that. And then this has a log, so if you go to your console, click this, it'll say game is quitting. It's not actually quitting in Unity. I don't think you can do it in Unity. And then we enter play, and it'll put us into our scene, just like that. Now, if you want to make your player float, all you have to do is drag your rig up like this with the menu. Drag that over and click on your player, and where it says rigid body, go to it is kinematic and check that off. Now, if we click play mode, this can be used for either UI, whatever, and it will float. Don't mind these. I'm just gonna do this. And that's how you set up a main menu in your Gorilla Tag FanGame. So if you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord, comment down below. Any recommendations, I'm also happy to take. Yeah, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.